Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Honor 300. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Honor 300 features a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back, and an aluminum frame. It comes in several stunning color variants: Ryan Purple, Chaka Green, Yulong Snow, and Kangshan Grey. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The Honor 300 is designed to be ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Plus, it boasts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Honor 300 features a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and high screen-to-body ratio contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+, enhancing the dynamic range and color accuracy for a more lifelike viewing experience. Under the hood, the Honor 300 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 chipset. This processor is designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the Honor 300 can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 is built on a 4nm process, making it more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, this chipset promises to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Honor 300 features a dual-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. The front camera is a 32MP sensor, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Honor 300's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of Optical Image Stabilization (OIS) ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Honor 300 comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 8GB, 12GB, or 16GB of RAM, paired with 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 16GB of RAM, you can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the Honor 300 supports UFS 3.1 storage, offering faster read and write speeds compared to older storage technologies. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Honor 300 doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 100W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can expect up to 10 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with 100W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is another great feature, especially if you have a wireless charging pad on your desk or nightstand. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Honor 300 stand out. It includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, NFC for contactless payments, and the latest Magic UI 7.0 based on Android 14. So, there you have it, folks. The Honor 300 is shaping up to be an impressive mid-range contender with flagship-level features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Honor 300? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.